I am here vibing with one of the early pace setters in Jamaica's dancehall space. His parents named him Michael Clark, but we know him as
the great SQUIDDLY RANKS. It's a God thank him. Jeez, Lord of mercy.
brother, give thanks.
Yes, teach them.
This is for a long time, but everything takes time, sir.
Yeah, man.
Timing at the right
yeah,
thing,
man.
man.
At the right
Timing at the
time,
right
know,
thing.
man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Yes, DJ, yes, everything good?
Yeah, man, everything nice, man. You don't know. People just want to know, say, yeah, man, the great SQUIDDLY RANKS in this. You say, me, I say, yes, we are DJ from in the 80s. Yeah. You say, me, I say, the first song.
We're not ready for that yet, man. Hola.
You're not ready yet?
We're not ready for
No, no, shut it, we're not ready.
Pull up. SQUIDDLY, you jump, you're going in. Oh, look at John Fidel, you know, call him singer before DJ. You see him, man.
Talk to us, bro. Early life. Play us off, bro.
Yo, let me tell you something, teach them. Born a Jubilee, 19, how much now? 60, some 60 something, right?
Yeah?
So, yeah.
SQUIDDLY, I'm big, man.
But me don't reach 68 of them, I have 50 had.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't know where the thing go.
Yeah, do well, brother, man.
Yeah, man.
Take care of yourself, man.
Yeah, that's how I look. Me not drink and me not smoke.
Nice,
yeah,
nice,
neat
nice.
and nice. I look like 25. See, they have murder me if you tell you, watch it. Can't get any young girl. Jeez. Boy, smoothie.
How many brothers and sisters?
Because, you know, my father, all right, my father, 12 hours my father, he get seen. Me, Peter, Metro, 4. How much brother are we? About 6. About 6 brother are we. And the rest, a sister. Then my mother now, she have 4 away and 1 girl.
You told me earlier that the old lady passed on.
Yeah, my mother passed on. The same day as Brazil, as Brazil lose.
I just saw you say that, brother.
Yeah.
My condolences, man.
Yeah, man, I don't say it still. You know, she 89.
89.
Yeah.
She got a good run, man.
Yeah.
But then take at least 11 more years, but you know,
Yeah.
time and time.
Yeah.
The old man still around?
No, my father dead from about 25 years ago.
25 years ago. My condolences with that as well.
Say it, bro.
All the brothers and sisters are still alive?
My brother and sister, them?
Yes. All
Yeah.
of them still alive?
Yeah, one of them dead.
Oh.
One of them, she said, she not like town. And she got a country go live. She born and grow a Central Village. And say she got a country go live because too much bad man thing go in a town. I said to her, I said, sister, country in a bush and ray and tear, that joke isn't that you know born down there so ray, see if you can get something. Me not like town, a wicked up here, and ray and tear. I say, all right, sis, go and do what you do. But she a Christian, and she married to one pastor man. But she left now and forgot which country she go. I hear Peter Mitchell talk about it one night, a gunman kill him sister. She left Ghana country, Ghana live down there for about 5 years. So she has sell peanut, but she has sell peanut by the what you call that thing there? She not sell it like you sell it in a dance hall pan rock. She sell it by the, what do you call it, man? I don't remember.
Buck.
By the pound or what you want to call it, yeah. All right.
Wow.
So that she do for your living and thing. Anyway, some gunman get some contract for kill some people where mix up in a drugs thing and railways. Can't where me are here. So the dance send the gunman them for go 48 B, like I say 48 B 10th Street. The idiot them never do and go 48 C 10th Street. When them go into the house and kick off the door and go in and thing, my sister say, what is for? How you mean? We come for killing because we get order for killing and Ray. My sister say, I can't when you get order for kill because over there, so, some nice, decent people live over there, so. Ray, rich people live all about over there, so. We are the poorest right now, they're on the block, right, so. Both of us, I'm living there, you know. Anyway, we said, looking at the house, nothing in here, so, see there, nothing in here, so, if you know want, him a pastor the church down the road, down there, so him own the church, and me there, so my pit them, 12 we are Christian, I can't, we don't come to kill. Why are you know? And them go so bam, and shoot the kill her husband first. After them kill her husband, them go outside for about a minute and reason. And the leader for the crew said, boy, I better you go mash up she, you know, because boy, it don't make sense you left she, man, because she said we face her really. And them go back in there and kill she. And the dance say, yo, no. When them go back in there, them say, are you come for killing now? No, we know. She said, we don't do my pit to them nothing, you know. Child, my pit to them, you know. If you not kill me, do not do and allow me pit to them. So them kill she and left the pit to them. So when the people them in our building over so, they come from foreign, here say the gunman them kill my family them and Ray. I know say the man them come for them call about 10 rat patrol and tanker, a helicopter, everything. I move out same time. Three trailer head of furniture. I move out gone. Same time. You see me I say?
My condolences.
Then my sister, my next big sister now called me and say, Squiddly, the gunman said, I'm sorry, at the wrong house, them go. First time in my life, never hear that. I never know what could have go so. Yeah. So I show you enough time, you jump with a frying pan, you jump in a fire, all right. Yeah. That's how the thing go.
Where the man grew up though?
All right. Born and grew up, one place named Ralph Lane, so Tiger Valley, No Man's Land.
So I got Jonestown.
Jonestown, man, down at the bottom of where you see the Wump land there now, where them call No Man's Land, down there so. Down there so I born and grew up. I come live at 29 Penn Street, but Lord God, at time I'm about 3-year-old.
Oh, okay. So in the 60s?
Yeah. Me and Peter met you and I moved from there so, and we live in a jungle.
Oh, okay.
But when we live in a jungle, we are around about the 7th. The 7th family live in a jungle. When we in a jungle, it don't have no water, the zinc fence still around it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Early days.
Yeah, man. So some little boy when I see we run club now and I call, oh, there. Just born a day. You see me I say?
Yes.
Yeah, man, that's how the thing go. Born and grow in a jungle. Born and grow in a Jonestown.
From early out, the man them rest jungle side.
Yeah.
What was it like financially growing up though?
Boy, it's hard. May I tell you, it's hard road, boy, because, boy, I come see my mother, I struggle with me and Peter. Me and Peter and Trevor. One of my next brother, I have to go to country, go live, because she couldn't go up to it. She and my father couldn't agree. One time, she had stabbed him name and Miguel and Ray and thing, of true money-wise, and, you know. So, me born come say, my mother struggle. I start the welding work. I can't do welding, you know.
Okay.
I can't grill up your house right now.
Nice.
Yeah, man. We are talking about, man. Then all the football complex over
20 Spalding.
Over 20 Spalding. I make the gate. I want you name Duck. I want you name over the True we make it. Them time they are 15.
Nice. Yeah?
Yeah. All right. Better joke than that. Bob Marley Museum. Where you see where up a Warp Road there.
Yeah.
The grill we grill inside. Inside the studio we grill inside. And me make it and want you name Duck.
Yeah?
Yeah. We make it now, you name 1980. See, and think them time there, Bob Marley come get the boss, the advance, for make the grill. Yeah. And the rest of money where we forget now. We never get it because we put in the grill and everything and sit down and wait pan the money for come back to we and Bob Marley dead. Yeah, dead 1981. He said, yeah, so we not get the me not get the money here now. We just put it up on one way pan Bob, because Bob come screw off the boss and dead a foreign. So Junior gang. Junior gang, yeah, you hear me? What am I taking up? See?
So welding was something where you take on early.
Yeah, man.
Long before the music.
Yeah. Peter well that you know.
Peter
make sure well that can make grill too.
Okay.
If you go up in my yard now, you see welding plant up there and rod and shield and sitting and suit and glove and everything. Yeah, as a man we know about house, it's everything for build a building. Yeah. You have all of them something there. We can't build all. If right now, if you want to go into some jerk thing right now, like you want, you can build a pan and that's a lot. What you talk about, man, right now?
Where you attended school though, before we go on? Where you went to school?
Denham Town. And then, no, Jonestown School first.
Okay.
Them time, they, you know, many of them.
Squidly Roach.
No.
You don't get any of that.
Rocky Roach.
Ranky Roach.
Rocky Roach, my name.
Why? Because you did
Just little Marga, I'm Mr. Spirit of one youth named Roach.
Okay.
And then I start DJ now, so many name Ranking Roach. And Rary and thing, you know, see it. So, Chumu could have get joke now. Me, while me I grew up now, one girl said my favorite, the Squiddly on TV.
Oh, Squiddly Diddly.
Squiddly Diddly. And so come now, she say, hey, and she named me Squiddly Diddly, one girl named Paul to the England.
Yeah.
And thing.
Yeah, man. You started to delve into the DJ thing at an early age, man.
Yeah, man, I start DJ early, man. I start DJ from about, Lord God, I don't remember it up. You know, I say, all right, we see DJ upon a son named Black Hawk. And we see DJ upon a son named King Philip.
Which one was first?
King Philip.
King Philip. But even before you reach King Philip, who were the people in the space where you listen to and say, yo, you know me like that DJ or something, yeah?
All right. The man who me take on to first was Low Ranger. Low Ranger, come and say DJ and say, Low Ranger, I'm me teacher. Bangily diddly Low Ranger, I'm me teacher. You know, kind DJ fast.
Yeah. Well, Ranger did that in time, Virgo?
Yes, they're on Virgo. Then when I listen to Low Ranger now and thing now, then little after, I start here about Welton area. And when I go to Welton area, I said, John, what I go to can ride with me, star? And it was DJ Easy, I'm like, I'm hold the mic and say, yes.
Well, Welton did them time there?
Them time the Welton area, they're on Stereophonic.
Stereophonic.
Bam. Then here come, we start listen to them now and I say, yes. Want to be like them youth there. Then here come that thing named Johnny Ringo. Pan Gemini Sound. See? Them time me and DJ Save, you know, me and Peter, you know, and thing, you know.
But you still listen to the man, man.
I still, me and Peter, I check out my mother, so at night time, I go and dance, go listen to them. Yeah, listen. And mother lock up me and Peter. See? And thing. But before we take on to Low Ranger, just remember now for take on to Low Ranger, the first youth we see is Ranking Trevor.
Ranking Trevor.
Come from a son named King Atani.
But Solar Tani then.
Solar Tani. I mean, I say, yeah, Channel Star. And then after that now, they were going to say Low Ranger. But listen, Ranking Trevor, nice and smooth, but Low Ranger made it rate. More because him DJ fast. So me patronize him. See, even, all right, it's a Ranking Trevor, I tell you. I am Super Cat imitating now, if you never know. People, Super Cat imitate or patronize Ranking Trevor. If you notice how the one of them have a cool look and rare and Super Cat, yeah. And thing. Them time they know a Super Cat name, Cataract.
Cataract.
See, enough people, Super Cat is coming and dance with bone arrow over him back, this Indian thing around him head with feather and night and rare. So he used to come and dance and come take me on.
Yeah, when I reach around to that part.
All right.
The first song you started working on was King Philip.
King Philip.
At about 79?
Yeah, I started learning for DJ on King Philip as a little boy.
Yeah.
See? And then after King, we went up on King Philip now, and graduate from King Philip now, because King Philip was a little beanie thing.
Right.
Then we go up on Black Hawk. With me, Papa Dimes, and Herald Charter, and Yellow Man.
Okay.
See? And thing, and the same snagger post there, when named Dickie Rankin, yeah. But the youth when named Herald Charter, him could have DJ better than the whole away.
Okay.
Better than we. See, I am the jungle man, them bad man DJ. Me are the girl DJ. When me a DJ, Gemini Sound, people not going to dance. The girl not going to dance until me hold the mic. And say, Dirty Squidly there and I want to do. And the gate start tear down. Me I talk about Jungle, Rima, Tivoli, Southside, Tel Aviv, Matches Lane, go right down the line.
Yes.
Seeing Rockfort to Spanish Town come right round. Me, at the man, at them time the Ringo and Welton Irie left Gemini.
Oh, but you left Black Ark and end up at Gemini though.
No, it's a Black Ark was a sound of what we used to go practice span.
Okay.
It just in a jungle, it don't come out of jungle. In a jungle it there. But Gemini was the sound now where they are road.
Big sound, man.
Big sound where they are road, we play disco and reggae like every half hour or so and rare and thing. You know, see it. So when me go so now bam now and me left Black Ark. See? I go so bam now and Archie. See me and tell me say
at the time.
we select Gemini.
Right.
Say, come talk to the boss man, cause we love how you DJ, you're bad. And me I say, But man, I go talk to Gemini and Gemini say, yeah man, you can come and from me start DJ Gemini 1981. 1980, 81, I'm not quite sure. Because I was the DJ, I think, say, well, Michael Manley on the $50 bill. Put Michael Manley on the $50 bill, not his stick and cement figure bill, tenement. Then if put the 1 C, I got me say, on the 1 cent. And them time every man will have a rima want to kill me.
Yeah.
Every man a rima want to kill me. You see? Because in them time, there, it was politics.
Yeah, man.
Straight and like, no, I was politics. So if you are Rima man or Tivoli man, you stay a Rima and Tivoli. If you are jungle, you stay a jungle. But we know, jungle now, we did have Crossroad, Skateland, Walton Park, the whole of Yassau, how I want.
Place.
Yeah. And it's in them time, then now, we are DJ now. Jim Brown, they want Gemini if you come at Tivoli, if you come play. Jungle man say, we as PMP DJ can't go down there, go DJ, or we're dead. That's me and Peter. You understand?
Yes,
I say, no sir, this wicked power. So you say, anytime we go out garden go DJ, we can't even make Tony Welch know. Can't make him know, because if you know dead. 1 year me and Peter go down there go DJ. See? And it's ready for go there now. We want one of the man them aspire with Jim Brown for drop. We are town, or a parade, or all a taxi come up. Jim Brown so no mad man. No mad, no I wanna ramp with. Cause I saw him love them finger, you know. Now we are ramp with. Me I can't go straight down the yard. Jim, no. The man say we are do man. Jatty, Ray, Tete, and pick up a AR-15. Have it in him lap. We in a Jim Brown, Benz, me and Peter. And we say, all right, here what bossy. Drop your Tarrington Bridge. That's a Tarrington Bridge.
Tried it. Yeah, man.
And Jim Brown said, yeah man, it's all right. We'll drop your Tarrington Bridge. And reach a Tarrington Bridge, we see the man bed the car now. Past Admiral Police Station. Pepper and Penn Street, at Edward the Jungle. Me and Peter come on and say so. And start vibrate. And I say, Jesus Christ, Peter. He said, Father, what you do? The man them over there say, you know, the man them there on our corner, you know. A school, no, SQUIDDLY RANKS, man, I want to tell you, man, Jim Brown, you drive, you know. Them time, the Jatty and some more, man, they behind film car with some M16 and some something and rare. And I say, hey, Jatty and some more, man, dust and blood and about 1 good 5 car they behind Jim Brown. I said, backside. Anyway, the man goes up, bam, and stop at me yard gate. You never know the man where I will live. And let me off at the yard gate, me and Peter, and I say, yes, boss, big up and rare and thing. And then them drive, go down Cali Smith Drive. When the man let me out and thing, about half dozen man come up with some M16 and say, oh, yo, DJ, I wouldn't. I say, oh, some man from Montego Bay, man, I'm rich. John, and I couldn't know them star, Ray. I say, no, man, that mean I used to go away and Ray and thing. Them time that saw me and Peter tremble. Bam and going every yard and the man them gone and everything did all right, this one, Ray and thing. You know, see it, so. Music business are easy.
Back to Gemini, you know, brother. When you go Gemini, can you say Welton and Ringo, they left?
Yes.
Why?
Say the money, maga.
So when you go Gemini, who did there?
When me go Gemini, see? Ringo did there. So when we start DJ the sound, now Ringo left.
Okay.
And say him can't bother because Gemini don't want to run the money. Them time them me now, DJ Gemini, I may I get, Lord God, may I get must about $100. 100, don't want to tell a lie, you know, $100, man, less than $100. Less than $100. May I get a week for me pay. All right, when I dey on Gemini, you know, my daddy I go and butter and thing and me alone couldn't DJ Gemini sound, so me I said, no,
Yeah,
you
but you
what?
still not tell me who else you go to go see.
You got to go see Ringo?
Ringo alone?
Yeah.
Archie was the selector at the
Yeah.
time? Okay.
I Ringo alone.
So color ranking never did at the time?
Our color ranking come after.
After, okay. See, pray.
Yeah, color come after.
So you want help?
Yeah, so I want help. So when we get the help now, color ranking come. Why you name Maaya Melatoffy. On the sound, Maaya Snagapus. Them time them name Dickie Rankin, yeah. And when me hire them man, you know, and they I said, John, no, Gemini is still short on one man, you know. Seeing we alone can't do it. Guess who I'm going to see now?
Burro Bantan.
I think name
Papa Burro.
Burro Rankin.
Burro ranking at the time.
Burro Rankin. Seeing? Either Burro Rankin or Papa Burro. I'm say, I go to Burro. I say my DJ for my son name, Ad Sizzler.
That's it, yep.
I'm say, no man, that boy about to kind of listen for about half hour. I'm say yes. So when him done DJ, I'm go to him and I say, yo, Burro, me and him Squiddly Ranking, I need DJ Gemini and Ray. Here what I want you on Gemini sound. See? The Burro say, yes, I'm go to him boss at a Sizzler. And Sizzler say, yeah. Me not talk.
I know, man. I know want to call and
Yeah. See? And then I go tell George Pang, because George Pang, the higher Burro. Sizzler sound
right.
to come in a jungle. So I say, Pang, I go make Burro come on Gemini sound, because the baddest DJ this in Jamaica. See? And I say, all right, bam. Get Burro on Gemini sound. Burro get $200 a week. Remember now, Burro might not remember, but Burro get $200 a week. Them time that me I get must about $80. But me tell Gemini, say, give him most of the money because we don't want to lose him. Him too bad. Because he's better than me by far. See?
I respect that.
Yeah. So I say, pay him, we don't want to lose him. Bam! Japan Gemini, you don't want the whole of we are going and there and thing. The Gemini sound now, some people want it at England, 1983. So when the promoter fly in now one thing now, him say him want Welton Airy, him want Ringo, and him want Squiddly Rankin. I eat that.
Oh, okay.
So me I say,
No Burro?
so no one care Burro, because Burro just a DJ the sound. Burro no make no name yet.
Oh.
Burro name no be. Remember Welton Airy them dead, you know.
Right.
From long time, you know, and then, you understand? Remember Burro there on At Sizzler now no name, you know. And then me hire him now on Gemini sound. Then the man come now and say, tour time and Ray, so Burro now no name. So me now, at the band we have the name and Ringo them from long time and Ray. So the man say, all right, sure, band will go up on tour. England up there for 8 months.
8 months?
8 months. When we reach England, me, Ringo and Welton area, hey, I get some forward up there, see. Me I'll come under the Black Echo on the front page.
Black Echo.
At the Black Echo. Magazine. Me alone. When we go, like in the Indian store in England, I'm sure some people say, I mean this, you know, yeah, I'm from here. This can't be you, man. You're local and rare. I say, I mean, I'm just, yeah, all right, young, come out and leave them and thing. See? So I just want the people them know, say, Burro Bantan, I mean, boss him. Them time the Burro, the name Papa Burro, or Burro Rankin, I remember.
I remember he did that, he tell me.
Yeah, one of them him name. See? He name Papa Burro first, then he go Burro Rankin, and then we go down a Anatown. Gemini son played on Anatown in the 80s. Him tell you about Danny Bantan?
Yes, man. The bad brother, the man where point the gun upon him and say DJ, man.
Yes, yes. Then so comes him get the name Danny Bantan.
So Anatown dance there.
Yeah. So comes now, me and Burro there Anatown a DJ one night. Every time them name Burro Ranking and they are DJ and thing and one brother Burro John, I no fat talk about me bro, John knows that me black. Me steam, me tell you Burro Bantan no fat, me DJ fi Barland and Jedla. And me I tell you, Danny Bantan come in with a big 45 and say, hey boy, pull up that. Yo, hey, pull up. Hey boy. Big up Jim Brown, big up this, big up that, big up Ray, big up Tay. See? Hey, I want to tell you something to yourself from now. You don't name no more Burro Ranking. You say from now you name Burro Bantan. Big up Danny Bantan, I mean, real bad man. Burro they are tremble and a shake like a knocky. And I say, Burro, big up the man, them anything them say, do it. No question asked. And Burro do it, big up the man, them and DJ again, mash up the place and way. So when the dance done now and then a couple days after the whole of it, well, I go and Burro Bantan, him not like the name. Burro never like the name, man. Burro hate the name, man. So I don't want a man call me no soccer star. The idiot thing. I say, Burro, the name fit you. Until we pressure him on the Burro and call him Burro Bantan and sit there. Till Buju come, name Buju. Mega Bantan, this and sit there, I tell you. Murder, man.
Original Bantan night dancer space, man. But you go England leave him?
Yeah. Go England left him. When we go England and left him, Kilimanjaro take him over.
Yep.
When we come back and we say, Burro, where go on? Burro say, Jaro, me there, no can go left me, no rate, me take man for idiot. We say, Burro, don't be. And the promoter, see, can you do it? You're my boy, me not left you.
I don't left Dickie Ranking too.
Yeah, we left Dickie too. See, because the brother song we try him can carry.
That's why I pray, man.
Yeah.
So go England and now, go mash up the place.
Lock England, man. When me go Sabama go England now, Super Cat. Don't you know? Who the boy school wait and hold him.
Before we come back a yard, man. When they are in England, they have a clash against Saxon.
We play against Saxon.
It wasn't a clash?
Yeah. It's that clash. Saxon versus Gemini. All right. In the clash, we get real as a Tipper Irie them and Philip Levi and Daddy Sandy and that, and them type of youth there, English youth them. Them no want DJ, because it's a clash in a people's club.
Okay.
You understand? I mean, I say, because me in there now, I mean, I upon them now, first for start, because me want them start so me can start trace them, because I love trace. I love clashing and me a cusser, you know.
Yeah.
We are talking about, man. What you think? Yo.
We soon come around to the part, don't worry about it. With the Saxon. So the man they don't want to take a stage because they're afraid of chasing.
The man they don't want to DJ on them sound. So I go to D-Row and I say, bro, what go on? The DJ don't want to DJ. Because I love the England DJ them, because I have an accent where I like and love them style, especially Levi.
Some of them that speed rap at the time.
Yeah. You know, see it? I mean, I say, yeah, man. So I saw the man don't want to DJ. Why school me when I say, look at them afraid of you, you know. I'm afraid of one. I say, afraid of me? No, I'm afraid of me for what? No, man, they just clash, man. If anything, them cuss me and me cuss them. Boy, John, no star school. I say, all right. Anyway, we there. The dance go on, we start DJ. Show a little word, then them hold the mic and them DJ and Ray. But the clash, whenever did bother go like how you say, Ricky Trooper that go on and cuss some man and tell you about them mama and Ray. We just prove who have lyrics more than who. And the dance go on all right the night, everybody enjoy the dance, everything, and you know, see it and I eat that. We never cuss Levi and Tipper Irie them and them never cuss me. But just DJ, just normal and mash up the dance and them DJ mash it up and I eat that.
During that 8-month tour though, was there any other clash along the tour? Apart from the Saxon?
Who else would they play against? Lord, man. We play against about 4 more sound up there.
Okay.
Some Birmingham sound and some more sound from London.
Oh.
And Ray, but every sound, they kind of afraid of Gemini because of me. Because me was the man who would take on any boy and don't afraid. Because my lyrics, them when me DJ, them slack. So when me DJ them there and start take you on, you want to kill me. That's why Ninja Man run me down with a knife on stage.
We so corrupt that man. When you left for 8, when Gemini go, Gemini had the big sound.
Big
round
sound.
town.
Big sound. Biggest thing.
You know they left a space now for 8 months, brother. Who feel that space there?
Classic.
Classic Climax.
Classic.
Raytown set
Yes. Classic take over.
So they pray.
Classic take over.
So on the forward back here now.
And then when Classic, well, we'll go back 83, then Classic take over. And I go and run the place and railway. So Gemini, after we come back now, Gemini did it, seeing, but it's like Classic now became the soul sound. We take over the rich people, them are the big man, them are one the Benz and BM and the Ray and the Tay. Classic, remember the man, them now, we forgot, them now no sound forgot now, we know.
Right.
Everybody start go Classic now, in a seat. And I like now everybody have
options.
car and rare and everybody rich. Now them time they could have count the rich man them where come a dance. Sheenis, Ronnie Virgo, Tony Virgo, Wally Symbolic, Captic and them look rich man there. You can name them. You know see Dennis Maxim and them man there. Yeah man.
So on the forward back here now. On the forward back 83 or 84.
We come back the same year.
Same year.
Yeah.
Okay, so 83 on the forward back then.
Yeah.
That was the year that it was Gemini versus Jaro.
All right. After we come back now, Kilimanjaro now, Supercat, take me on. No, Supercat. Throw a word for me. On my teeth him lyrics and Ghana, England. See? And Ray and Tate, I say, I will Supercat a ramp with. No, I will cataract a ramp with. Because me know him as cataract.
Yeah.
See? I say, what you going to deal with him? Anyway, Gemini and Kilimanjaro clashed in a skateland. You can't find it, you know. If you put in
YouTube?
Yeah, Gemini versus Kilimanjaro. Seeing when Supercat a DJ only listen about Ada, Squiddly out of Ada, Maguire me hard run with him father, and I me David him mother, I me give me all cougar, I me give me all cougar, I me give me all beaver, me give him regular dollar figure buy a cream pan the corner. And me DJ one say, rice and peas and ackee, Supercat, and put it in a early bay. Dance done.
Mash up.
Supercat say, hey, anyway, me see you, a gunshot. Me must kill you. Cause film lyrics, him sing about my mother, you know. Me no got mother. Me DJ about him and early B. See? Man say, oh, I must kill you, can't come and deal with man, so.
So no clash.
A clash. But my one hotter than film. See? I saw the lyrics of me, I said, I want you to this me no and think me gun seize up. You're going to get gunshot in your knee cup. Bend up your face for me like Junior D must cat in your face a gunshot, you're going to cat. Listen, from where there, you are going like you are bad man. True you walk with some bad man, chichi man. True you have Kid Ralph John and sit down pan. You feel say you can't come this all jungle man. You me a talk about cat, Supercat man. The girl say you name like a Trenton. Pata them say you bite it like bacon. Oh, Supercat, him a Kid Ralph right hand. Kiddy walk him and knock him up a skate land.
Mash up.
How we are talking about, man? Mash up, man. Dance, mash up, and so me I get forward. Because I get forward, I go down, so. See? The lyrics longer than that, you know.
Yeah.
And it's slacker than that, you know. I chew me up on this.
No, but you're good
Why
man.
me have to clean it up?
DJ man.
Me have to clean up the thing. Me don't want to go too raw. You see what I
Alright,
say?
sir.
So if you want me to go raw,
DJ man.
raw,
Raw. Yeah, man.
yeah, man, and when them draw that, I go back and me draw that one I name just talk. Any rent a JD to punani talk. Any ball did to pum pum. If cat put icky on your body jaw talk. Girl and don't laugh. Yo, see carry shark, banana carry stock. A thing like this, squiddly ranking off a talk. Cat use him teeth, take off girl draws. Nyam the pony with all knife and fork. Cat. No man him brave, no bloodbath. Eat them face, him go make gyal a fart. Anytime you see him yeah, look cast, pony half blind him have to wear test glass. Talk.
With this grass.
But go back and I say, dirty, cat dirty, him dirty. After my sister, give cat look a pony. And she tell him, say, drunk out, don't tell nobody. The boy go up on the corner and tell everybody, or in Getty, or in City, here in turn her back way, or him Rami, but the bugger not talk. Me say, when him did that near me, she sit down in face and I ride it like a jockey. Him lie down on the back and him a jerk off him. Whoa, Ray, Lord. And the dancer mash up.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Dancer mash up, man. You know, see it.
They get the Apache Cross, brother.
Super Cat. Go back on him DJ. Early B, draw another lyrics for me. You see it? So I say, Early B, I respect you because you're a good youth. I think one lyrics from you. Don't worry yourself. You can't say anything about me, but that boy, when him Super Cat, when him now the manners, and him. Early B, remember your boy, you bring that in, that no good in. Hey, boy, Super Cat, hey. And thing, and me and him, they at it. Them time there. Super Cat, me not afraid of him not afraid of me. And I like now where everybody say, cat this and cat that and cat way. Remember me come from jungle, me have 100 jungle man there behind me for defend me. Tony Welch them, and the top of him come from Crackburn Pen, him have them some man there. So I say, cat, the war even. Me not afraid of you. And you're not afraid of me. So here what you do. Them time the Super Cat spar with some man where some man we have license gun. Run a Cockburn Pen, some Indian man. You know see. But you see him, me dey love hear him.
Bad DJ,
Me love hear him because him DJ a cat bring bad man lyrics coming a dance, you know.
Yep.
The bad man something there, you know. And him bring some me love hear him. See well I really love hear him too. You know see to me I say it was that boy you bad. And when me listen, me say, yeah man, can I see the bad man talk? Super Cat, bad. But hold on. And cat mother dead. I'm mother dead, I'm father dead. I'm father dead. When me
even before we reach around at that part wasn't there an incident in Osa Leo after the Gemini clash?
Alright. After the Gemini clash, I go see Super Cat in a Osa Leo. See? If we go over there for hear the man in the start. Say, Cat John, what done everything. Hey boy, how we are up with my man?
Him friend and papa.
Friend them papa and him have any kind of drink and hey boy and Ray. And me I say, John was star. You know say the brother you idiot. I want them and couple in front of them I say, Squiddly. Like them I say, Squiddly just go and back over there son man. I say, Cat, everything Chris. I'm a walk with left him. Me I tell you about 1984.
84. Mm-hmm.
And him say, anyway, me see you. Hey boy, you can come. I come DJ about Kid Ralph and Ray. I say, anyway, me see you make sure you have your gun. Anyway, we did a DJ Osaleo that done with until Gemini play around so and Kilimanjaro. Everywhere I'm going, them throw out for me and Peter Metro. Especially me. So, when Cat father dead, I'm going to link him. Him say, Super Cat say, Squiddly, let me tell you something. So when me come in a DJ in a dance hall, if you come make my name, and you me come take set pan. Come here, I wonder how the man take set pan me, and the man said, you know, you carry the swing. And a Peter Metron and a yellow man a Squiddly rank in the whole Jamaica, the girl them a talk about. Girl not going a dance unless you in there. So you me have to take and forget to make people recognize me in my early B. You know see it. Them time them a DJ from a sort of Center Mass. Nobody know them.
King Majesty, that's on.
King Majesty. Nobody know him. So when him come now, come take on me, you know, so comes down, him take on me and me take on him. And me I call him, him call my name, and so comes now.
Because there was more than one clash with Cat. I mean, the Gemini one, probably the biggest one.
More than
other clashes.
More than one, about 4 times me and him buck up. Buck up on some other little dance where I'm a Gemini and a Jara play. We just go there and buck up and him show what I'm show upon him and clashy.
You used to enjoy those?
Yeah. We used to enjoy it. When Cat come from foreign, you know, and Cat see me, Cat hug me up, you know, no, I'm father party. See,
okay.
when him father did dead, him father dead first, you know, I see Cat for about 30 years, the man hug me up, you know, and me hug him up and say, John was star, cat wagwan. I say, boy, Squidly jam, you say they are prisoner and rare and thing. You know, see it. I say, me there, man, and I say, John, oh, rival this, you know. I'm a rival this. And, you know, see it. And thing.
Whilst on Gemini, there was another famous clash with you and Yellow.
Me and Yellow Man clash all the way. Can't call the clash of me and Yellow Man clash. Because you want me know, I'm going enough look at dance, and the dance them boring.
And I just bring up vibes.
I'm going to say, Yellow Man, tell us something, I'm going to take you on, you know. Because right now the dance is lame. And the only way to get the dance alive where the people them can talk about the next day, you have to take me on and me take you on one away. So anywhere I go, I say, Yellow, I'm murder you know. And him say, all right. Then some of the dance them, him kill me and me kill him. Because I get a little 2, 3 forward, so you're gone, bam. So you know, give a man a time to get back.
Forward,
yeah.
See the pre. The Gemini Jaro dance, who win the clash?
Gemini.
Gemini win the clash.
Yes.
And them time that the whole team, Welton, Ringo.
Them time they have Ringo,
Archie.
Welton Irie, me, Peter Metro.
Oh, Metro was okay.
Peter Metro upon scene. We have couple more man. We have Ika Mouse fresh.
And them time the Ika wire.
Biddy biddy bang gang, giddy bang bang, biddy bang, biddy 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 biddy. Murder. Kill Jaro tonight, man.
And it was Cat, Early B, Bull
Cat
was
Early
there.
B, no, Poddy Roots.
Poddy.
Early B, Poddy Roots. Danny Dread.
Oh, Danny Dread.
Yeah. Yeah, about one good 7 man depan Jaro. And about one good 7 man depan Gemini. But Gemini have the bigger artists them. We'd have the bigger artists them pan Gemini. Because we have Ika Mouse, them time Ika Mouse fresh. You see? And we have Ringo and Ray. Them time they Super Cat them a fight for make them name. In them time there.
Okay.
And I see it.
Yeah, and Yellow, as you say, have quite a bit of history. So much so that you appear on his Kilimanjaro live album.
Kilimanjaro live album.
How you end up there, sir? No Gussie Clark wrote that.
You know, see, I know me not get the money for it though. No, Gussie.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, Gussie Clark. You know, like, I remember, I can't remember. Gussie. We do the live album from 1982, 83, and 84.
I'm not sure.
81, 82. And imagine from 1981, 82, all no Gussie and look at me and say, Squidly, say $1,000 here. Me and Yellow Man. Yellow Man said me we should get money. Because I see Yellow Man with there. I'm going to do a plate up a Legend Studio. And I say, Yellow, wagwan. Yellow say, Squidly, who? I sue me go sue Gussie Clark. So I say, what? Then you should get, him say me we should get money from Gussie, you know. Till him tell me, say me if I go up a Gussie, up a anchor, go check Gussie. Gussie have a thing for give me it about 5, 6, 7 years ago. See? So, I got the couple time I not see Gussie Clark. I say, I can't bother you, man. Then give me number for call him now and say, so I give up. So I say, Yellow Man, the last 2 weeks now, run a Gussie, run a Legend Studio, and Yellow Man I say, oh, I saw me go sue Gussie, because I'm going to keep no one give me no money and this and that and rare and tete. I say, Yellow, you lucky, you know, because you did get, me never get not even a grand from 1980 until now. So Gussie Squidly, me there. You know, if you find me. Don't a jungle me live, me can't last. Give me something, man.
You are also another live album, George Pang and Friends, Skateland.
Skateland.
Powerhouse label.
Yeah. One with the panda one day again. Come in a member.
Well, if I'm one in a brother and you alone.
Yeah. Wolipa man. George Pang live album. George Pang a big producer, you know.
I know, man. I need to talk to him at them time.
Yeah,
man.
yeah, man.
So.
Him produce Barrington Leave, him produce Freddie McGregor, him produce Peter Metro, Josie Whale. Yeah, man.
Man.
Freddie, yo.
I know him contribute a lot to the music. When you actually started recording, though?
All right. The first tune we do, 1979, when Michigan come with
Diseases.
Them with Diseases, me they come with one tune name. This Apollo my light is. Wash your hands when you don't use the toilet. Don't spit in public places. Just be careful when you go down by the beaches. And some more something.
So that was the first recording?
First record I invited for GG Records. And GG label.
Okay.
seeing that over race course, you know, see, 1989, me that answer Michigan them true. Me that, like, it's not really, just like a...
Counteraction.
Yeah. You know, see it. But it never reached nowhere.
Okay. Which tune follow that one?
After that now, my voice, one tune for Witty. One tune them, donkey rider, me and the donkey rider. Wait me ride me donkey, man, all the time murder, baba. Donkey rider, me and the... All right, after that now, Lord God, I can't remember. What the patch my voice for some other producer, you know.
Your bugger, your Mac your mate.
Yeah, Mac your mate, me remember who my voice at for. Bugger you, me remember who my voice at for.
Bleach.
Bleach.
Early tune that.
Now, Bleach. Bleach go
Bleach
again?
before Stone Love?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
early tune that.
Yeah. Soul of the 90s.
Right. F Enough Woman. The early tune that too?
Yeah. That the voice of Stone Love.
Oh, that's a Stone Love tune.
Walk enough man, yeah.
Okay. And there's an early tune, man, with them Peter, one them.
Bad
teach
boy.
them.
Voice up 1983.
Early tune that.
Yeah. 83, no. Before that, 83. One them Metro, one them teach them Squiddly, teach them. One them Metro, one them teach them Squiddly, teach them. Me say we now walk. You know no bad boy passy, say we now walk. You know no bad boy passy, one of them good about me. And then Peter come in and DJ and Ray. We voice up 1983, then we go back and when we go to Germany in 2015, we voice it back over for Mungo's record company.
I never know someone re-recorded it. Though.
Yeah, because the man, the producer Mungo's record say, him like it, we voice it back over, we do it back over for him. It's released at Germany. When we go to Germany and check, say, I take Keisha for me and the big tune, ugly the girl tight at the wall, and I check say them tune a big tune. When I go up there, and that I carry the swing, one them Metro, one them. Yeah, I have a DJ. I say, this? So I have to go back.
Go learn it.
Yeah. Get it on my phone and study it over and thing. And it was a DJ a reggae jam about. Yeah. Because we got about 14 different countries in Europe.
Yeah. Back to Gemini. There was a clash between Gemini, a famous clash between Gemini and Jack Ruby.
Yes.
Not sure the year, but
You remember the year?
I think about 85, 86.
Yeah.
In other region.
Yeah.
My music Sugar Mine at Lakuna.
Yes. The man draw. Gemini they are going good, but Gemini them time the Gemini did a mash up,
What do you mean mash up?
The sound did a mash. The Gemini don't want to buy no speaker. Him not want to buy this. Him not want to buy that. So the sound did sound and weird. Sound tired, beat out. So when me and Jack Ruby clashed, the one Jack Ruby put on. Gemini play them tune and Jack Ruby put on. Give them in a dance, sound styling. And if you love this rhythm ball forward, and Jack Ruby trap the bass.
That one nice bass line, another tune of the tree.
Remember, you know, a bass in it already, you know. So when Jack Ruby put in them turbo bass, pan Gemini sound, kill with dead. Kill Gemini instant. When Gemini come on back, Gemini sound like a transistor radio. Liam.
Yeah?
Bad. Yeah, man, but I say, yo, Gemini, I'm not DJ on this, you know. You don't hear the founder the man get. You don't hear the quality of the sound of Jack Ruby. You don't hear the bass line. I want to ask you, that Jack Ruby go and play, man. I mean, I'm Welton and Ringo walk out and left them.
Okay.
And Burrow, do all of it, yeah.
The mid-80s, I think, you spent some time
Rikers Island.
Rikers Island prison.
You never want to say it. All right. Jamaican people. Me left 19. I go England, come back from England 83. Clash with Jaro, left, go to Canada. Me Poddy Roots, Patrick Roberts, and Beanie Man. Come back, I'm Canada. Go on New York now. Have my good money in my pocket and Ray. See, 1985. When we reach a foreign now, one day about 2 weeks after, the New York in my bridge in basement. And time I go to foreign about $5,000 in my pocket. When me reach, I say, Zanga push run our house round so. See, Dickie ranking. So I say, I go check Dickie. So I buy my friend bicycle and go around there. When me reach in the house, see, I could have gone and reach. 5 minutes after, I see the door kick off. I see police running. Then I see the police them running now and thing. Them go some bam and about 20 police. Don't move, FBI. Rary and thing. Anyway, hands up, put hand against wall and rary. Ask my name, I tell them. They've asked, Snagger Post, where I live. See, what's your name? Snagger Post said, oh, me, 89 Penn Street. Police looking the inside of the flashlight. I laughed, I tell you the dead. Snagger give address inside the name. I saw Snagger vibrate. Snagger vibrate like a knock, you see so. I laughed, I tell you the dead. I know what prison we are going to. But I feel laugh. See? Anyway, we did now. You see the police them come. He's the one.
As in you?
Me. He's the one. So I say, me? Yeah, he's the one. What me do? You is the one that grabbed the whole lady handbag. Me? Me you not ramp with? Grab over handbag. Me grab the whole lady handbag and run going to the house. Guess what, me know? Them I watch the house. Them know say it's a drugs house or it's a gun house. Me no know. Because if I go foreign, so me go to go check Snagger. So them not have no search warrant. So them use them draw the car there now. For me, say me grab the man handbag and run into the house and them run me down when them going to them find gun. And I say, oh. Anyway, when we reach station and everything, them say me grab a old woman handbag with a 85-year-old. I saw hungry kill me that me could go grab a woman handbag with a 85. What old woman I walk with? Anyway, when I reach at the station, identification parade, them say no me. So, I say, you see it? Tell the say no, I don't know what we not talk about. Them time there, when me in the house and then have me on the wall up, pancho. All me can see the police come around with beer gun in their hand, you know. To M16, to M11, M9. Yeah, we get all about 9 to between 7 to 9 gun. Them say them find 150,000 US and 100 pound of weed. That's how them say them find. Them say, and me and Snagger Post come swap the weed for gun. And the man them get them gun and them weed from which part them want to get it and have it in them place. We don't know about that. Anyway, Bama me charge feet. Snagger charge feet. In a Paracas Island prison. When I go to Paracas Island prison, I say, but hold on. I really prison me there? I drew up this star. Anyway, when I go in there, I'm Jerry Curl. Good Jerry Curl. Michael Jackson time, man. When I go in the prison, them say me say me a Muslim, because Muslim get the best food at prison. Put in and say me a Muslim, get my ID with a little string on it and rare and thing. Alright. When me look in the prison, I say, Lord, what hold on there, man? But that prison is nice, call all women in here too. See? Me I say, no man, that prison is nice, man, all women in here too. What? Because I go to Bama spot. 2 brown girls along the road, you know. Two brown girls at the prison. See that I said to Snagger Post and the man, me and them get to and say, them girls they hot, man. Sir, oh, the man now look them girls there. I be a madman there, and I say, eh? They say, what now do? And the man them start laugh after me. That are some man who born in America. Me I say, nah, I don't know where I'm going. They say, yo, just make a try reach down there, so now. That about up a mixing lab.
Oh, okay.
That's at the distance where them they can remember the prison long and big and long, you know. All right. I see the man them start laughing. I say, all right. Anyway, you know, I don't know where I go, you know. But to walk in about 10 over here, so 10 over here, so walk in a group. And then we go down there and thing, and I say, when I look on the girl them good, I say, Chano, the girl look wicked from afar, but some of them look so now. And the man I say, yo, Squid, let me tell you something. I be a man in the prison here, you know. So no man, say 2 girls over there, some man. The man say, a man them there too. I say, Me I tell you about breasts, silicone breast them time there and rare and thing. But me, them time the silicone, something not coming like no, me don't know the first time in my life me I see that. So me say, oh them get breasts. Them say them inject one something of them and get the breast and rare. Wow. And then me see some white man up and damn man, I need that shit and rare. So some white man want them. But the black man, them, the black youth, them when me get old and them know say, and the man I say, a man, and me I say, blood bad. Yeah. So I get to understand. Then I see about 4 more come join them, because them have a special part of the prison, them keep them, yeah. And thing. When me the rockers now and then, you know, man, in there now, we start spare that dread. The dread near Romy. Because them put we in one place like us about 59 away in our part with 59 bed. See? And I say, all right. So I start. What we're going to now, we say about 15 Jamaican, Puerto Rican, African, and Rarian things. See? And we see about 30, about 20 white man. And thing, and we did the thing, and the judge say, yo, Squidly, let me tell you something. A police shooting me charge for, you know. I charge to kill 2 police. And I say, hey, Channel Star. And Ray, I say, hey. I say, Dickie the dread, a bad man at 2 police the dread kill, you know. Afraid of him, you know. Anyway, the dread says, Squidly, here what? I see them boy there. I watch the TV. Here what happen. See that jug here? Full it of ice water. That the pipe water will come out of the pipe, because the pipe water cold like ice water, you know. Because I remember December now, the man say, here what you go do? You go drop a chair in the boy in the head. See? You go get up and you go throw some water in the TV. Because them no rate, man. I say, the dread say, every day them get them want to watch Santa Barbara and Dynasty. They take bad for idiot. So me I say, I go back to notice Nagapuss and I say, Dickie, look at the dread I get with a star. The dread I say, if you go throw water in the prison TV, the big back TV, you know. Go throw water in the TV star and look at the dread I get me and stuff and me I try to come out. Snaggerfoot's afraid of the dread, me afraid of the dread, because the dread a real bad man, the dread make big words every day people. And I just say, all right, anything the dread say. And I just get the water and just go up there and I say, hey, let me tell you something. You mother keep on watch Santa Barbara every day, and you guys keep on watch Dynasty and Falcon Crest I wait one name. We want to see basketball. I throw water the TV goes like same time, I saw the white boy get up and go so bam and lick him with the cup in his face. And the dread goes so bam and drop a chair in a female head too. And then the African them and the rest of Jamaican them get up a one piece of riot start in the prison. I say, all right, riot start, white man blood up, black man blood up, rare and thing. The man where response for we there so now, the warder and press a button. The panic button. 59 are in the prison, right? And a 120 warder come them outnumber way. You see, when them come and bust at the prison door them, you see, if you're not in your bed, lie down, then broke your 2 foot. That's when them come.
Bed.
When them come, because I shut down the bed and have a sheet and stay so. See, and thing, and when we go so bam now and them come and them take handcuff the dread and take him away and take up the white man, them a blood up and rare and thing and see, and they tell them under my sheet and thing and them says the dread is the problem and thing and that. Anyway, them that on the dread for 2 weeks and one part around so and thing and
solitary. Get
fresh TV and alright. Me in there now one. We mean there now me have lice. Because I catch lice in there now, you know, so I say, John won't start, I can't do a lice up me, you know, keep me. But I go so bam now and ball off my head. So the dread come from the part where they put him now, I put him back in our part now, and walk past me and yell me and say, yo man, you big up. And then him stop and say, I'm not Squidly, I say, hey, Squidly, what you do? You trim off the ear for your star, you trim off your strength, I say, Dread, John was star.
Say that a lock September?
Yeah, I start locks, because remember, in there now, you can't get, you can't get no comb, we can't get the jerry curl or something.
I forgot to say that I run a Jerry.
Yeah, because them say the Jerry curler might go. You might poison yourself with the chemical and whatever. So I say, all right.
Okay.
But man, so I start dreading then now. See, then I say in a prison stack up to start dread too. Yeah. So me then now start dreading a whole Trinity like me, I idiot and rare and there. See? And then I think the dread say, Chima, have you tried? I say, dread, me have lice. John, we have lice. I say, yeah man, that's why I trim star and thing. And the dread say, all right, here man, I'm going to see video. Bam, no. One evening now, about 3 weeks after me in there now, we are going to the commissary. No, on the commissary we are going. We are going at the mess hall. Figure eat we lunch at about 11 o'clock. Because them give tea 6 o'clock in the morning, you know. Early, you know. Them give you tea, you know. And then they say by 11 o'clock, them give you your lunch. You say by 2 o'clock to 3, you get dinner. So you say after that, I'm going to kill you for the rest of the night, you know. So I say, all right. When I walk now one thing now, I see a man there in a white shirt with some pip on his shoulder, 3 pip. It's like a sergeant, like a police would have an inspector. And I say, all right. Then I say, John was star. I can't be a prison man there in a star. John was star, look at. And the man hear me and stop the crew away and say, you, come here. Me? Him say, yeah. I say, all right, go on. What you say? So I can't be somebody a prison star, soapy star, because John was star watching me there and thing, and I don't do nothing, I'm a prison star, Big Rockers Island when I watch on TV and rare and thing, and him say, well, that's how it go, man. Him say, all right. Him say, his mother, no, him say, his girlfriend is a Jamaican. See? And his girlfriend is a Jamaican, so him know about Bob Marley music, and him know about 1 and 2 local, him get the cassette them and things, so I say, well, me a DJ from Jamaica. My name's SQUIDDLY RANKS. I DJ Gemini Sound. I heard that name, SQUIDDLY, with Weltonary, with Gemini Sound, with Burbanton, and him name gonna say, yes, that's me. That's you. You man, you start shape me and thing and there and him say, all right. Damn man, you're skinny. I say, the man said, damn, you're skinny. And the man said, damn, man, why you smoke so much coke, man? Why you smoke so much crack? You're coke out, man. I said, Soupy, me no coke out, man. I saw me mag and stay. And through me go up, if me end up in the prison, I just get worse. I can't me a fret. Come on, come out. Shut the I'm gonna bring you back. I said, no, cocaine to me, so I just saw me mag up. Shut up, man. I'm gonna say they get 2 food every day. The man can't get 2 food on Rockers Island, you know. You could have named John Gattier where you want to name, you know. Anyway, the man said 2 food every day. But man, the man said, John was going to start 2 food every day. Every man start friend me now, because remember you get 2 food a day, you know. So every man want to hang up, I want, you the dread, no man to the boss. See, I would have rap with, but the dread is 2 food I pick up every day. The dread start lock me up now, because the dread love chicken, you know. And so you get some. The dread eating chicken, wicked. See, I think, I'm just say, all right. You know what happened? The man said 2 food every day, so I get 2 tea, 2 lunch, and 2 dinner every day. So when I go at the window now for get my, you pick up 2 trays of food. See so, and I walk with it. I say the whole prison look around for me so and say, which done is that? I'm not. Me a bad man from Jamaica I don't rap with. You don't know me good Yankee. You don't hear about SQUIDDLY RANKS. Me a bad how much people me kill. Don't ramp with me. See? Put up my 2 tray and get up and go back at the window and pick up 2 juice and put it down and eat because the soup say, he might bring me back and me cook out. Then the thing and they say, all right. Every day. When I'm doing all them say you have to eat the whole of the food. Right there so. So me have on a sweatsuit. So I have a sweatsuit when I have on and long socks. I'm gonna take the chicken, the big when the man they give chicken they're big, you know. Like when you see them give chicken or chicken and thing, you know. I'm going to go and put the chicken in my socks and roll up my pants over it and walk, go back in my part of the prison where the wall away there. It's when it reach at 10 o'clock at night time and I say, chicken time! You see, man, come on, my bed, come sit down. Boss, see me there, can we chicken and biscuit, you know. See, I'm going to go to barman, chicken there, and every night, 10 o'clock. Sometimes when I get chicken, sometimes I get different, but I think 2 times a week, they get chicken. When I chicken there, the whole prison know.
Yeah.
See?
We have to keep it a little bit tighter though. Still, how long you spend at Rikers?
9 months.
9 months. So what go on? Make you touch back road.
Alright. If I'm come out to Rikers Island now and thing now and we get bail. When we get bail, I two of my name Michael Clark. So when time I go down at the park now, I go fingerprint and I see another man say name Michael Clark. I say, hey boy, who for me say no? Your name not hey boy, who for me say man? You know I know you. Where you go man? Yeah, the man, yeah, the soup. Well, we can't let you know because we know we shouldn't know the real Michael Clark. I say, I'm me. I eat that boy, I want to eat that. Anyway, the people who come for bail me now, treat that, all right. If them come for bail me, you know, this boy say him name Michael Clark, you know. I have to go back to Rikers Island in there for 3 days again after I have pour them do the paperwork, because you know them strict. Anyway, man, I come out, they are road and they and just say no what can't bother that problem here. When me check the lawyer say $80,000, which me don't get $50,000 bail, cash. And my friend them bail me out. See, I get $50,000 bail cash, my friend them bail me out and thing. And I say, yeah, me and go my man. Can't bother deal with this thing, yeah. So I just cut.
Yeah? So that result now, brother? Because if that the result, okay.
What do you think?
No, me did that. I can't say. You know what I think here. So yeah, they take for.
Come on my yard time. I can't deal with pretty thing no more. Anyway, we go back up there and get it clean up still.
Oh, I'll be glad to hear that, sir.
Yeah. We go back up there and get it clean up and, you know, and rare and things. So that they done with. At 85.
85?
Yeah, that time 85.
So, eventually, when you come back here now, at the time you left Gemini?
Yeah, all right. When we come back 85, from yard, Stone never carry the swing.
No, but you never do some time for youth man promotion before you end up at Stone Love.
Yeah, man.
So that before Rikers?
Yeah.
Oh.
Youth man promotion, yeah. That are in between Gemini and youth man promotion because, all right, so when I DJ Gemini now, youth man promotion did debut too. Cause remember, you know, Force on Clash keep a cinema too. I wish here.
I'm not sure the year, you know.
Jammins, anyway, Sugar Man had sound, they did it.
Yeah, Youth Man Promotion, Arrows, Jammins, Black Scarf.
Yeah. So Youth Man Promotion did it time. So then Sugar Man had sound about and everything same way, but it never have that big name like Gemini, but it just did it.
Okay.
In a seat and thing. So when we left, come back from New York, England, prison again.
Yeah, when I reach so yes. After when Youth Man promote, you do sometime a Youth Man promotion, you also do sometime a Metro.
Yeah, all right. It's a Metro Media now. Me also, a Peter Metro now, you also sing for Metro Media, DJ for Metro Media. See, but them time the Peter never named Peter Metro, him named Peter Rankin. See, all right. Me never remember this. You see, the first time me got DJ, me get $25 DJ for my son named Stereo York and Nato Beer.
Stereo York.
Yeah. From the Nato Beer. DJ 100 invite me at the dance and time me DJ Gemini, me get
$25.
Get $25. And when me get the $25, and me come and show Peter Metro say, watch out. Get Peter Metro say, Jesus Christ.
Sometimes Peter
So much money DJ I get. Then time the Peter DJ stocks I get must $7 or $10 a week. And when I come and show him, Mr. Peter one night money, Peter said, Jesus Christ, murder. And time the Peter Metro no name, and me I carry the swing, Nobody don't know him. Squiddly ranking. Them time they him now no name, plus on top of that, in the left and go Cuba. So, you see the left where him left now, and go Cuba about, and when him go Cuba?
Early 80s.
80, 81, 82, 83, somewhere there so. And go learn Spanish. And come back. And I sing about Peter in a Spanish, that and Mike and this and that and everybody. And whoa, the most intelligent DJ. Peter don't go you way.
Yeah. And then he come with the back way talk.
And he come with back way talk, front way talk, side way, this and way. Where everybody says, see, that's the most intelligent DJ. Go around me now. See, because him carry the swing now and for Metro, them time they know, him start DJ Metro Media now. So I'm showing him them now from Peter Rankin to Peter Metro, because him and them Peter Rankin down at Greenwich and did a war over the Peter Rankin thing.
Oh, okay. I don't remember if you tell me that still.
Yeah, I don't think him tell you that. I remember him, one Greenwich fan named Peter Rankin. And him named Peter Rankin, so them a fight over the ranking. When him start DJ Metro Media now, I'm showing them name from Peter Rankin to Peter Metro and load the Peter Rankin with the ranking. Yeah.
You went to live in England for some time, and you also DJ upon Wadat and Leeds Unlimited as well.
All right. Me I DJ upon Wadat and Leeds Unlimited in between. That Gemini is something there and rare and thing. You know, see. Because in them time, the people that keep dance and them invite me, pay me for come DJ upon other sound.
Yeah. So 1990, you went back to England?
1990. No, man, I go back to England 1987.
You went back 87?
Yeah. Come back 88. Right?
Yeah.
When we come back 88, and my girlfriend that give me a bun, gonna take it. Fly in.
Your girlfriend at England and give you a bun?
Girlfriend at Jamaica give me a bun because I left her in England. My baby mother.
Yeah.
But me fly in. I make sure you know, say, I can't do a bunch up there, you know.
Yeah.
And get her 1 and 2 look. Fly, go back to England. 2 days after.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when she see this, I say, of course, I tell you, say, be a mascot. But that's how it go.
So you went back to England?
Go back to England.
Year,
yeah, man. 3 days after that, I go back to England, man. And when I go back to England now...
You're actually living in England?
Yeah, man. Go back to England there till 1990, 91. When I come back 91 now, we start up and down with Repo.
Yeah, but before we reach that, you spend some time a prisoner in England now, again.
Yeah.
Not again, like you spend time a prisoner in England.
All right. There in England, 1908, Lord God, I wish you go to prison. And when I went to prison, I go in and I go about 3 times and hold me. Why I can't
England?
Yeah. I go prison star. So I got prison so like me an idiot. That's why I say I'm not interested if we go no more foreign again. I can't bother. Me a man there, so a man fling me a gun over there, so I meet them come put it on. Yeah, man. Then in England, 1980, 89.
Yeah.
I look at old man fling me 16 bag of weed over there, so. Police them sway the man fling with the weed. Through the man so old and feeble, them say I'm my own. I can't feel. Put it on me. I go to jail for that. They are jail for 9 months. Again. Come out. They are road. Bam. See this nice grey girl. Sexy. Brown and pretty, bandy leg and thing. Flat belly.
She's sexy with you.
Yeah. Have a Nicki Minaj look on area and say, "What, I want this." The girl say, "All right. Squidly, you look me long time, you're a good boy. I'm going to let you go tonight." Me and I plan for go 4 years in nightclub. When me downstairs now, I call her, I keep her posted like every half hour. When me reach at the girl yard, she's still not ready yet. So me go up, come out of the taxi now and go upstairs. Ring buzzer go in. 5 minutes after me in this, I wait upon her. Police run in. All the police are running now and thing. Me there sit down, have my big fat £1,000 for me and come and get ready to go support the girl, you know. When me get so much money from, I say, come on man, I'm entertaining and Ray and Tate and thing. Alright. Me there sit down, them put 2 bulldogs in front of me for watch me. If me even go so scratch a dog, them go so, I say, Jesus Christ, I wear this palm me, 2 dogs stick me up. See? 2 dogs hit me upstairs, but can't move. I say, all right, here what happen? Now what happen? Now I go and sit down and watch them 2 dogs. Anyway, the police them come back. When me reach at the police station, here one of the police boy. What's your name? Michael Clark. I tell him whatsoever, write me up. Well, we get to understand, when we search your wallet, we find 2 pieces of crack cocaine in my wallet. We say, what you say? They tell him, handcuff. You find 2 pieces of crack cocaine now for wallet. My wallet, me look like somebody smoke. Hey, me no drink, me no smoke, no tell a lie for me police boy and tell him about him mama. Well, find 2 pieces of crack cocaine in your wallet and we're going to charge your feet. I run and chuck in them neck and bite out piece of neck. I lift them, come lift me and find him. You see him hold him like, oh, and a ball. I say, how are you around? You can't come tell that upon me, boy. Look at me, I idiot to you. You can't see me, I go dance with me, Chris Brown, and come tell but you come find crack cocaine, and look like crack head, you see me so long, and me around with drunk crowd. Anyway, them there and go on and thing, and mother say, all right. Them lock me up, charge me. I go end up at Wormwood Scrubs, Brixton Prison. One of them. You mean there? I say, Willie, I got come here. I say, Slingers, I say, Joe Dog. I say, one a British. I say, this, that, rare, one go 25 away. Because the police have cleaned up the area in a 1 weekend.
Yeah.
I mean, make one a British there road right now, you know. I mean, make one a British now go to prison, you know. I ain't glad, you know. We soon reach a part there. Remember me?
Yeah.
Anyway, when the police them go to bomb now and I reach a Rockers, I reach a Wormwood Scrubs prison. See? And then you know, I say one of them come in and rare and thing. Anyway, when I go to bomb now and when I there at the prison and thing and there, me and one African man bang up in the same cell. So me I tell the African man, say, boy, me not do nothing, you know. Police raid find one youth. So them find one youth with crack. And them find a youth with crack. And then put 2 pieces on me. Say them I use me as a cokehead. Say me go buy coke from the youth. That them do, you know. Say me are the crackhead. Chung me so long a maga. So me go buy coke from the youth there. So them want to send the youth to prison. Anyway, there me and the African. But the African man, I want a rich man in Africa. But you see which part him there now. When them hold him and them hold him. Some people are coming at the airport at Gatwick and them hold him. So he end up at the prison. So he have nothing in there, but in a film country he come from, he's a king. In them country, and I tell me, say, he's a king. And me I say, well, pick up yourself, king and Ray. So guess what? You know, him not no soap. Him not have nothing at all in there. So I start giving him soap and biscuit and go to the commissary. I say, what you want? Him say, him want. I buy everything give him. The African man said to me, say, let me tell you something. You, when you come out, you call me. Me I come out to the next, like him say, the next 9 months or so. So when you come out, call me, Africa. See, the police guy who lock you up, me I go go behind him for you. Pancho, teach them. Listen to me now, man. The man said, I'm going to work the man for me. Because the lie where them tell upon me, because every day me in there, like me, I said, John, no, I'm a bad. Remember, me and the man in the same cell, you know. But me not bad living there, but it told me, the man said, oh, school, man. I'm going to show you how powerful we African is. And I say, yeah. Anyway, give me address and rare and 30 and thing, and I come out. When I come out, about 6 months after, call him Africa. And I say, Wagwan King, it's me, the guy, Squiddly, and him. They say, what's up, man? And Ray, and me, there. I'm my brother. You don't know, this guy saved my life in prison. I was in there suffering, and this guy on the phone, Squiddly Ranking, my friend, and Ray, and thing. I'm going to go to Batman, give him the policeman name, in picture, and everything we send in Africa will give him. So 9 months after that, kill the police boy, kill himself in England. Ask anybody, he is the only police in a Dalston. In a Dalston area, Stoke Newington, Dalston, who kill himself.
Come like your Christy down on Elsha. You saw.
Yeah, man.
Brother. And you say, well,
Teach them, listen to me now, man. If me forgive you,
we'll have the whole day.
the whole history of me and my lifetime, you'd have part 1, part 2, and part 3.
All right, we'll take part 1 today. We come back. What next time? You fall back at 1990 or 91.
Well, I know, I dropped the hurdle, man.
All right, sir.
When me in a Brixton prison. All right. Lord God, how we happen again? All right. When me in the prison, see? When me there now? Come to Jamaica, go back to England. When me there in England at the prison, with the African man, I come out and thing and rare and thing. Me buck rifle. Anyway, them say, them release me now from the prison. When we reach at the prison now, when we reach outside, them, me see immigration out there and rare and Tete. Them say me have to go back to prison, go do 5 days for the Queen. Come do. All right. You see the sentence? We do the sentence for remand, you know. But when I go to court,
Them say serve the time.
yeah, them say me serve the time already. For remand, cause position. So me a cracking and rare. All right. Them say me if I go back to prison, me have to go back to prison up. Go do 5 days for the Queen. Me say 5 days for the Queen? How that? Them say boy, I saw the thing go and rare. Anyway, I go so bam, go back at prison, take out my good, nice clothes. Put me in a prison clothes. Yo, them give a jacket. Yes, so the jacket reach me. Yes, so. Short. Them give a brief where 40 man wear already. You see? Them give you see the pants, sock and pan you. Them give you shoes, big heel shoes, where it rests right by your ankle right here. So it's when you're walking at it, it rests by your ankle. That's the torture, you know. See? I say I don't wickedest thing. Anyway, when me in there now, I'm there now. Rifle say I get a work for me. See? Rifle say Squid, all of the good work them done, you know. I'm going to go see foul, you know.
Okay.
All of the good work done, and them say the only work leave a parcel. I say, parcel, boy, you hear me? Because here what happens when you get sentenced, when me the day then you get sentenced, you have to get up every morning, 6 o'clock, spread your bed, you can't lie down back on the bed until 6 o'clock in the evening. I remember Pentaville. That's when you get sentenced, you know, I say, but I can't sit down up in my bed till 6 to 6. No, sir. I've got to find something to do. Because I force you to forget work, you know, yeah. All right. Rifle, so I'm going to get the work for me. So I'm saying, I pass the left squid, I can't get a work. Then I say, fall, work, I work. See? Fall work in the kitchen, you know, but him have the link and read. I say, all right, bam. Parcel, so we get the parcel what now? Me now, I shoot the barrow. They work at the back part of the prison. When me I shoot the barrow and thing, see, with a 4-story building. Me a man say, look out. See, when me look out, I go say, bam man, but go against the prison, I see a parcel. Shot through the window with a scandal bag. Guess where I eat?
Filth?
Yeah, man. Filthy night, people. I don't know if you want to hear, because I have some people, them don't even know the meaning of filth. So, S-H-I-T, shit. Shit parcel, them call it. See? So the man must say, yo, Squidly, how you feel do parcel work? Yeah, idiot, man. And rare, so same time. But when them fling the parcel, you know, they never fling the parcel definitely off of me, you know.
Right.
Them fling it off of the boy with the broom. See? Until me that the barrow man, but when them fling it off of him there beside me. So anyway, I'm a shift, but the Yankee boy, them, and the Yankee boy, them, they are, the English boy, them are band there. They make it a point of truth for a man time for try. Yeah, so I'm going to go to Bama and thing and miss that. But just don't it immediately. Walk we left there. We just walk we left the bar, everything. And the water boy handcuffed me back and carry me back around. And I say, yeah man, me alright. I say a 5 days me I do, me alright. Paul say, you see it with a one, squiddly, so you can't do that what they call rivalry. I say, alright, Paul, everything, Chris. So Paul, they get some longer thing there, bigger clothes and give me. And I do my 5 days for the Queen. Then them deport me.
So when you fall back now, that is when you started to link up with Weepo.
All right. When I come back now, they are Jamaica now. Flying back by my big bike and everything for 200,000 like you buy a car now for $5 million. And I say, it's a man, link up now and check Weepo now and I come back now, I come back with Tekisha. See? Hear this? The girl in Jamaica have a new style. I'm saying them pitney off of the father. The father named Bobby, I call the pitney Babisha, Squiddisha. If the pitney, if the girl breed and she don't know what the father call the pitney Ufa and Rary and something go down and thing. And then me come and take Tekisha. Take some girl take Tekisha. Tekisha, some girl know them no cater, them take all type of man from all over, them take man from Jungle Valley, Arima, New York, England, Japan and China, Miss a Fing, Miss a Fong, Miss a Fang, Miss a Fa. Sometimes me sit down, me want that to rot it. If I two put on it, Tekisha walk with no one on the R, one pan or Farid. Then how she just walk a take man pan rapid. Me ball, take. Tekisha lock down Jamaica. I mean make every young girl have nowadays name. Because them see name Lynette, Luana, Lana, Monica, Clover and them long time name. All of the young girls, I mean, make you have nowadays name. Teach them, teach Isha, Felicia. See? Maxine, Maxisha. All of them become nice, decent, smooth name there. You see me I say? Alright, if I'm going to go to now and come to Tekisha and then now and take Tekisha and go on.
And your voice at for Stone Love?
For Stone Love label. But my voice, one of them for Stone Love and one for Jamins. I think Stone Love get the slack one and Jamins get the clean cut.
Okay.
See? Alright. After that, I come to Tekisha and I say, alright, Tekisha, go on. And then I come back and say, now hear this. But are the ugly and the girl and the tight and the whole. Ugly girl proud and no good whole and the ugly and the girl and the ugly girl lock down the place again.
Ronnie did the injure.
Ronnie did the injure upon that.
Pastor Ronnie.
Yeah. See? Alright. So when we do that now, then we got Japan, China with the same Tekisha song.
Okay.
So I get to realize the ugly girl and Tekisha lock down the place and thing and rare. Them time some man tell me say me too slack. Why is really too slack here, man? I'm a live to come see. When you hear them nowadays slack the tune here, when you hear them, make me look like me a Christian. Them nowadays slack tune make me look like my tune, I'm a Christian song. Tekisha, ugly girl and them tune there. Yeah man, I'm coming down there. One. From you know you never dash with belly, me want to know up on no one them. All of the girl them. And you a girl we mind your picnic, not dead for no hungry. Hey, some girl get the picnic money and I take him mind man girl. Hold up your one girl and I mind no man get the welfare money and I take him mind man girl. Hold up your one girl and I mind no give you ticket for the body, give you ticket for the shape girl. Yeah, boy, hey, me give you 10 out of 10 for your face and your shape. People, let me tell you something. Them time the girl not going to dance until I come. Them wait for me. And me are the boss. Me are the dance for the... Ask Tony Mataram. Ask Fire Links. Ask Richie Feelings. Ask the same Bounty Killer there. And the rest of the man them. Who bring mix up in a dance hall? Me. You know what the first DJ Bounty Killer imitate? Me. Squiddly Ranking. Tekisha. Teach them. Ask General B, ask Nitty Kochi, ask Boom Dynamite, ask Elephant Man. The big bad Bounty Killer where them say the baddest DJ in Jamaica and in bust this and bust that. And me a Bounty Killer idol. Yeah?
Yeah,
so me act like Bounty. Yeah, me a Bounty idol. First lyrics Bounty Killer billionaire in life. After my tune, Tekisha. Bounty Killer bill a lyrics name Granisha. Some girl them a Granisha, Granisha. Them time He must say, you can't just get a girl a grand and...
Oh, okay.
You understand? Yeah. Half a techie. So I'm a bounty idol. So bounty killer way for tell the whole world say, Squiddly, you know. Bounty no become no big tune. In those days, it was a record. You bust pan, you bust on a dance hall. You understand? Me bust in a dance hall without no tune. Peter Metro, Burro Bantam, Yellow Man. A little of a Yellow Man start vice with John Joe. Through Yellow Man did Yellow and Rary and thing and him catch the whole world. Him start vice with John Joe. But upon sound, make your name upon sound and thing. Yeah. I will go to New York, go DJ and come back with gold chain and clothes and thing and that's right there. You know how much thing me go through with gunman and foreign? Hey. Another day for that.
You started cutting dub plates and stuff for Weepo.
Yeah, man.
You become like Weepo right
hand, man. All right. Jamaican people, all of the soundmen them all over the world, 80% of the dub plate them when you Stone Love play, and me cut them.
Yeah?
Yeah. And me cut them pan dub. Because Weepo is a man where you should just give me all one look at 20 grand and say, Squiddly. Any artist where you hear where you feel like a boss,
make them do a dub.
Vice them pan the dub plate. My voice rinsing, shot in head, don't need Bushman. To ball, don't need to bed. Gangster no save, and me boss Bushman. Then time the Bushman never named Bushman. Forgot the name, when name.
Countryman.
Countryman name name?
Yes. No.
All right.
Countryman. Yeah.
No, countryman. No,
Junior
countryman.
Buckley my role
Junior.
at the time.
Aye. Some something. See? All right. After my voice, boss Bushman pan the general rhythm. My voice pan the dub plate. Them time the general rhythm I carry the swing. I'm going to give Weepo and then beat that. That was Soul of National Anthem.
That before him recorded for Steely?
Yeah, man, long before him. Then Stone of Steely here with it. I'm going to build the skettle with him. I'm build the rhythm. And voice him and borrow them pan it. All right.
Yes, skettle.
Skettle rhythm. Yeah. All right. The next man, my boss, Spragga Benz. I carry Spragga Benz from my bike back. My voice. Cock it up, jack it up, dig out the red. And Stone Love label. 1 month straight, I carry Spragga Benz going on a Black Scorpio studio for voice that tune there. Seeing?
1 month straight.
1 month straight, like every Thursday.
The voice of one tune?
The voice of one song.
Why?
Every time Spragga go, Weepo say,
okay.
Well, it full up next week.
Okay.
Full up again next week. Full up again next week. But at the end of the day, I mean, control Weepo, but Weepo did have some little man where my voice will have name. But every Thursday, Weepo like book 1 3 hour around a Scorpio studio. So I carry Spragga Benz, my bike back and carry him around there until him end up voice tune. See? But them time there, me done have it already pan dub plate. Pack it up, jack it up, the pan.
So it's a playing a dance?
It's a playing a dance.
Them time they're Rory or lead the thing?
Rory are the boss. So it a play in the dance and I'm going to voice 45 now for Weepo. You know, see?
You also played a role in Merciless.
Lord Jesus, but I talk about Merciless.
Hold on there. I'm me name SQUIDDLY Ranking. I'm me name Merciless. In case you never know. Let me tell you this. The first sound Merciless DJ pan 1982. Big sound, Gemini sound, a country, Clarendon. And me give him the mic. Them time they know him name, Sugar Demos. I me say, come at town Merciless. Me say, come at town Sugar Demos. Come at town, me I go make. You bust a town. And Merciless come at town. I said Merciless come at town. Him come link me out of Arrow Studio. Them time them have learn out my mercy, me not get it back here. And me and my youth named Screechy Joe sit down and say, no man, that Sugar Demos name you now go work, you know. Yeah, one, we're gonna name you after this song. See? I'm gonna just upon him and say, Merciless you for name, you know. Me and Screechy Joe name him. And I me introduce Merciless to Weepo from Stone Love. Till me and Merciless do a tune for Weepo 1993. One tune named some girl love the hairstyle and I no close see back it. Yeah. But the tune no reach nowhere. Still I say, you know. So I just want the people them know say me SQUIDDLY Ranking name Merciless. You say me I say?
My boy that. Now, whatever, when you hear him say, I think the Super Beagle and name him, and me and Screechy Joe Super Beagle, the whole of you out of arrows. Lord Jesus. People, I know Mercy's from 1982.
Sugar
81,
Demos.
82, when him name Sugar Demos. And Gemini play a country. I'm going to go down there one day. And him say, I beg me a talk off of the mic. And I say, all right, I'm going to let you go. People, I'm going to bring you that youth here. Him say him name Sugar Demos. Then time the Nika Demos, I carry this thing, and Jonah Demos and this and this. And I give him. And when the man start DJ, I said, no man. Yo, what you do here so? When him done and the dance done and we out of street of reason, I said, my, what you do here so? Them time they with about Spider-Man and Superman. Two DJ and Spider-Man and Superman, Mercedes and them start off same time. See? We said, what you do here so? I turn you for there, you know?
Think good.
I turn you for there. And Merciless, bata down there till the 90s now, when him come and town now, introduce him now to Weepo. And I say, come, I'm going to show you the rich man. See? I'm going to show you the man that won the song, Stone Love, rich. I'm having money and Ray, and I'm having record label. Yes, so you for them. Till me and him now, Vice a tune him. I'm going to have the year selling on no close. See back it. Yeah, them 1991. Tune no reach no way. Then him Vice, Lend Up Me Mercy. Then him Vice, Gallus. All of them tune the way him do. For Weepo, me take them. And me Vice them. And me.
You took the voice?
No. Me came to studio.
Okay.
And I me tell the engineer who for Vice next. Even Harry Toddler, be a girl want me. And me make Weepo Vice at too.
Who did take the voice on the time? The Goofy?
No.
Deli Ranks?
No man. Culture T.
Culture T.
You talk around a Scorpio, you know.
Right. Okay.
Up them times Weepo don't have studio in them yard yet.
Okay.
But I talk up a stone of your saying, I talk in them yard on a Duane Park. It man a studio in them house yet. Then time the Weepo ride a 10-speed, a 5-speed bicycle. So long me and the boss a roll. When I say roll, you guys know what I mean.
No way I talk about, man.
No man, them man never kill you with cardia for no way I do. See? So from them time there, I mean telling engineer, Vice Praga Benz now. Vice Amanda now. No, you come back next week. You understand? I mean do that something there. You know, see.
In 2000 or 2001, there about Ninja Man Rides Again. That was the name of the show.
Yeah.
I think him did come from
Prison
after the taxi man.
Man murder. Nobody go around the corner. The taxi man murder.
No case, I mean, the whole world know brother. So that was the show.
Yeah. Ninja
Ninja
Man.
never did friend like.
Me and Ninja Man are friend. Right? All right. Ninja Man charged to kill the taxi man. Go prison, come out. But before him come from prison, me that talk to him on phone 1 and 2 times and Ray. Ninja John must start idiot thing, Ray, Tete, bam. Come from prison now. When he come from prison, him come up the studio, Crossroad. See? And him say, up a Sophia studio, Crossroad, and give me. Say him a keep Ninja Man welcome one party. So him say, all right, Squidly, more you pan it, you know. How much you charge me? I say, I Ninja, you hear me? What you think? He say, all right, I get 20,000. I say, all right. He give me 8 grand advance. He didn't give me 8 grand advance. I say, well, all right, Ninja. I said, Ninja Man. So I come down there, you and me go clash with. Because, with me go clash, I come from prison, it's also full of lyrics. See, me want to clash you, I'm going to show you, I'm bad on you, idiot. All right. It's all the lyrics when me have a super cat. And them me go drop on him now, you know. All of them want to make clash with Cash and Early B, you know. See? Plus, me build one of the new 3. When me say me go clash, so me have 6 powerful lyrics, but down in them, I can pick up 3 forward a piece. So me look about 18 forward, right? That's all. All right.
But chalk out the thing.
So I say, all right. They know one, give me the money and drive go down there full. I remember me carry Nesbet, but I carry 4 men with me. See? So I say, the whole of we are got country, them a bad man. All right. Reach at the show now. I say, Ninja, what I go on? Come for kill you in a mascot. What you do? Before Ninja Man go up on the stage, I say, Ninja Man have a gun on him. And them things are not for hide. Everybody know Ninja Man thing set. Them things are not for hide. Teacher, make me forget the history we got with Ninja Man and so something I don't know, you know. But one good, 5 good gun something, you know. When me beg that boy get himself, when me beg Ninja Man, you know. All right, for the law, you know, I say, Ninja, yo. All right, watch this now. Stage show time. MC called me on. When me tell Ninja Man, say, I'm going to come for kill. Ninja Man say, yeah, man. We saw who come. MC called me on. When me up there now and there, DJ. And I call up Ninja Man name. No one look at idiot name, Invisible Ninja, I see Walker. Hold on! Drunk crowd you ramp with. Oh, you call up the boss name, so I go and kill you now. Ray, tete, blah, blah. All right, everybody see that part, the other part they go. Right? But the lyrics of Ninja Man run me down far. Want to hear it?
Yeah, man, I know what you think, boy.
German lyrics, so me I say, people.
Same day prison and all of them sitting there saying
They
fat
are
and...
prison
The
and
letter tune, man.
Kid Ralph write him a letter.
Yeah, man, remember it though.
Someone don't remember it. Me DJ me couldn't hear. Me say, Ninja Man, me a drive past GP prison and a water boy. Me see him with a letter. Where Kid Ralph write Ninja Man a letter and get the water for give Ninja Man. So me see the water out of the street when him come look after him lunch. And I grab the letter and read the letter. The letter state, how they do Ninja Man, how you keeping. Is one thing I love, is your smiling. Your front teeth, gold teeth, have me weakening. Whatever you get fat and turn brown in, since you stop smoke, coke, you all get good looking. Prison, agree with you. If you come here after, and your bumper get fat, it's chicken pill you're taking. You see the food you see the morning, the yam and banana and the pumpkin, the Irish potato and the ginseng, the Jew plum juice and the 6 ginseng, and me saying, come get you said finger licking. When me a DJ tonight, the place I mash up, you know. Come have to stop every minute, you know. Anyway, me I come link you tomorrow evening, anytime after 8 of the week in this thing. And when time I come the bother with the frowns in, I want to see in your mesh marina and your G-string, your spike heel, boot, handbag and stocking. I want you sit down on Kid Ralph Freddy. I want you sit down on like a lizard on a man. Whoa! Wait! That looks like me a DJ. When that done, go up on the lyrics and there, a DJ. When you see what happen? Ninja Man walk on pan me. But when Ninja Man walk on pan me now with the knife and have the knife, enough people on the YouTube, them see the knife them right hand, and when them go so and rave, me so frightened that's you made up on Ninja Man, what? Me in a brethren, what that for rave people? Who could have bad up Ninja Man, you know? You can tell Ninja Man about him mama. I tell him say me a Ninja Man knows I'm not afraid of him. Him know that. But him just love to be seen. You know what I mean afraid of? When Ninja Man rush me, film friend them rush my 4 youth them when me carry down with me, throw one of them to see. Come and see the right behind the show, you know. But one river. Okay. Throw one of them to the river and run on the rest of them run gone. And about 25 man they are going to threaten me where only not see. So I beg Ninja Man. Ninja Man, me ain't a friend that's dead, but they are going to kill me. So when I go see that something, so when you see me up there, I beg Ninja Man for them make the man them beat me. And Ninja Man, me afraid of. Remember when 2 weeks after that, Ninja Man start coming to Jonestown, come look for him look at that, and I see between the border of Credtown and Jonestown. Me and him buck up at St. Simon School every morning. When me I carry my little girl at school, my 4-year-old, he might carry female son. 4-year-old son at school too. So if Ninja Man did put me under 100% pressure, him couldn't run us asleep. In my ear asleep, you mad? You must be mad. Anyway, when him run me down, and the show done and everything now, and a police escort me out of the show 1 mile
away from the venue.
Away from the venue. When Ninja Man 1 mile from the venue, That happened the Saturday.
That was a time in our career where, in our journey where,
Yo,
rough.
Yeah, man, rough, man. Teach them, if me forget the history. With me, prison, come down the line, seeing, can remember me not tell you about me and one of the British and they see him sell it in England. You know? You want to hear that now? I wait on part 2.
Make you wait for part 2 then, because so I think, you know, you did quite a few. We spoke about the intro for Ugly Girl with Roned.
Yeah.
You did one them teach him with your brother. I think you do 2 other tunes with Peter. Up to No Vaccine recently.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You did a song with Queen Paula.
Marga the man a big idea, yeah. See?
You have a tune with Snagger Post, I think a bar suit that name.
Some girl are wear bar suit and shape like breadfruit, yeah.
Zane, you have a song with Tanto Metro.
I let me never remember that. I wait there somebody come send it to me. Yeah, me no, but me do tune it Tanto.
No front teeth.
Yeah, some girl na front teeth.
Enjoy yourself with Captain Barkey.
I let me never remember.
We talk about the hairstyle with Merciless already.
Yeah.
See, you do quite a few collaborations about here, man.
Yeah, man. What of a song, man? See, all right. Me have another tune on the street sweeper say, can't sit down and make gunman take over Jamaica. Look how much innocent poor people pick near dead that no car for me have that right now on the street. Me cannot play upon or send it come give you. See? All of them tune them, I can send them come give you. So you can play them in between, whatever you want to do. Yeah.
Like, if they tune the register, I can't play them. You know a copyright thing go, because sometimes the producer them stay at some type of way.
Or if it register, it
Yeah,
can't.
man, it can't. I ask you that to say, is there anybody we you do that collaboration with the owner mind do a tune with?
Oh, like right now?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I do a tune with any one of them young boy. Yeah. We are talking about, man. Can't see them a young boy who carry the swing and railway. But let me show you something now. All right. Me have a tune. Can't sit down and, when I say can't sit down and make gunman take over Jamaica, it not reach nowhere. Tune release, you know, reality, you know. See it? And see that not reach nowhere. When me sit down and say, me have the biggest gun in Jamaica, gone. You know, me just say, me have the biggest gun in Jamaica. Tune in a runway. Most of them youth will see I sing gun song. No. You think them not try to sing some little clean tune and it not reach nowhere? Them try it. Some of them try it and it don't work. We can't tell you.
That's true. We attack, Will. We can't go around that.
Some of them try it and it don't work.
Can't deny that.
Because them are people here, them are tell you where you fi DJ where them want hear.
True that.
Them want you DJ about Mali. Them want you DJ about and gun. And you gun big road such a man head shut off round so and rare. You know see it. And that's right there.
That's right there for true.
For them.
Yeah. In 2015, you did a tour in Germany where you collapsed. I hear Peter talk about it a few times and laugh. What part of that part there?
Me have asthma.
Asthma, okay.
Me there there. And me I say, Peter, how up you so hot? And Peter say, what I mean anyway, you know. When me say hot and Jamaica kind of man.
Yeah.
Yeah man, man, there I just start wheeze. And when I go, and I say, no man, I want to go on. And Bama them carry me go to Germany hospital and I say, here what happened? Doctor, listen, when me there at Jamaica, I'm asthma, take me, them just give me a pill, asthma pill, and when 1 hour time, me alright. But them depend with them German language, see? Yeah, the white woman that carry me. Them say, them now let you out of the hospital. That's why I'm not dead every minute at Jamaica because the people, the doctor, them don't get now do the right something. The right thing to take care of the asthma something there. So, them now let me out. I'm going to admit me. I say, I have show for it do. Tell them, say, me have show for it do. Give me the pill. And I eat that. Them say Germany no run so. 2 weeks we did in the hospital.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
And Peter then continued the
Miss
tour.
4 sure.
4 sure.
When me in there, right, and them give me whatsoever medication, them put me in one gas chamber like where Hitler that put the people in there and test me. So I'm in there for about 2 minutes and I say so. And them say, yes, you're all right. And then them let me out. And from that day I come from Germany until today, as man to take me again. Them have the right something them. Jamaica people them, don't you? Enough people were dead, don't you? If them have a something there. Yeah. But Germany have, them only dead.
Boy, you have lived that eventful life.
Yeah, man, I go through it, man.
Squiddly, man. A lot of stories to the grandkids.
Yeah, man. I go Wormwood Scrubs prison in England, I go Brixton prison, and I go Pentaville, and I go one in Kokomo. I never know that's why England big. Kokomo. That one there, the prison there, it's part of. You have woman over the side and man over the side.
That's the one British story.
Yeah. One British story there.
Okay. You know, bro, as I said, I one of the man we chop some, clear the way, brother, and clear the path for some of the man them both, you know. They do it from early.
When me a DJ, uptown people call DJ Dirty Drunker. Careless boy, waste boy, dirty boy. When me a DJ 1980, uptown people now rate DJ. You know, when them rate DJ, when Yellow Man enter, them start to have a little lightness to it. Then when them say, we're not even talking about Super Cat. When them say Shabba, get Grammy, them start say, what? No, sir. And then now, Sean Paul come enter in it now. Then uptown people start beat them pitting off to go turn artist, entertainer. Beat them with whip and say, yeah man, don't go turn out, you know, see money in it, go on and you know, but Shaggy did a long time. Shaggy did it long before Sean Paul. Long before. Yo. But since Sean Paul, as an uptown DJ, coming at it now, out of the uptown youth, them but say, hey, Batman enter the thing. Yes. And so come now respect start the pan DJ thing. Since them say Sean Paul them turn millionaire and Shaggy them must say, what?
Howard, I know you say some of the things you're going to get the money for, but in general though, for the recordings, the 45s, how are things we publish in our royalty?
I don't get nothing. Nothing I don't get.
Half an hour,
them say me sign up for this and that and Ray and Tay and thing, but after the internet, let me tell you, I don't have no young people around me who know about that something there. I tell you. Already Roddy area and Roddy area, my boy there in England, Joseph Cotton, I tell me what me do.
Do it, man.
Yeah. Millions of dollars out there for me, man.
Collect
Millions of dollars out there for me. See, from the album me and Yellow Man do, and the whole per song them when me do come right down the line. It did it. But I just me have to do that. But Joseph Cotton tell me, him give me the link. So me I go through it, you know. You know, see. Go see me still there wait, broke, want money you know. For the live album me and Yellow Man do.
For the people them out there who want to get in touch with Squiddly for booking so on and dub plates, how them find you?
Man, you have to call me number, you know.
Run it, man.
All I want Squiddly ranking dub plate. Bookings and look show and look away. If you don't have Peter Metro number, you can call me. And you can call Metro, because sometimes some more people have booked me on him. Dial 431-6710.
Run it again.
See?
I'm back in, sir.
You can call me on 431-6710. All right, 876 are the code.
Yeah. How many youths?
12. 13. 13 them said.
13 they say, what you say?
Yeah, 13 of them, man.
Mr. Clark married?
Me?
Yeah, that Michael Clark video, you mean? That Clark video, Williams. They don't marry, God. You still love the music, bro?
Yeah, man. I have a tune I make a voice now. Like right now, right? After Peter Metro tune, name To You.
To You, okay.
It goes up. Remember say I can't try my back, I'm just a Billy. It goes up. Dan diddly. The reason I make that song here. The other day, 4 men dead one day down a Lincoln Avenue in a jungle. Top part of jungle. Seeing, and I get to realize say, everybody I take Mali now, gunman, entertainer, taxi man, and some do some man something on the road. So I sing all of the gunman them, it's where I beg you know. Bang diddly dan diddly do. Come you said this one dedicated to you. It name to you. To you. This one dedicated to you. All gunman a uno me attack to. This is where the police them a beg unu. This is where the commissioner a beg unu. This is where the great squiddly rank a beg unu. And not me alone, I'll teach them too.
Sure.
This is where Indy come a beg unu. War with the man, them we are war with you. Shooter for the man, them we are shooter for you. Killer for the man, them we want to kill you. Low innocent people, make them cut and go through. Make them live till them old and die from flu. You agree with me? Put up your hand and say a true.
True,
listen to the DJ with them cause squiddly do. When me say it name, I get it name to you. This one dedicated to you. All gunman and only me a chat too. The Mali gunman them went over to you. Listen to the DJ when them call Squidly. All gunman and only me a chat too. Yeah man, you don't know when it's a Squidly rank, you don't know the only thing I hear the king. Teach them.
What's your favorite rhythm?
Kochi.
Kochi, full
Yeah,
up.
yeah. But love DJ pan fast rhythm. Shankai Shia
But
can.
Kochi not fast.
No, Kochi slow.
But you love Kochi.
I love Kochi rhythm at a slow rhythm. But there's a rhythm that man Shankai, Shakan, Hansan, Punani and them rhythm there and Bam Bam. Love them type of rhythm there. Yeah man.
Brother, I never know say so many hills and valleys and twists and turns along the journey, brother.
Yeah man.
And I appreciate enough things you don't get to tell me.
Yeah,
but in
man.
the future, man, we will give the people them this set out because right now we're serious about 3 hours.
People, when the British did get all of England, and I me tell them what to do, get where,
Yeah, what you like?
come to Jamaica, come here and make the same cell in England, a prison. See? And I me tell them what to do, if you get where. You understand? When me there England, when the British and rifle have no money, me and them done. Me and them boss. Ask any man from Samchinam Road, Brixton come right down. Me and the boss. And me buy the champagne, them and them something that dance at night time and stay so. One of them broke. And by the time I go down, I come back Jamaica, I come back up there, I go back to England. 1/3 millionaire. I left Jamaica already, I go back to England, and rifle call me. I want dance and I go to 1999 and give me £5,000 and some other something. And say, Squidly, you know, remember when you left England and I go to Jamaica? And I come check you around a Battersea. And you sort me out. Whether the sort out lead to this. Don't ramp with me. Do the thing I hear the king.
Bro, as I say, you're one of the man where help lay the foundation, brother, and clear the path for the man them, you know. And, you know, when certain arguments come up, Squidly name not ready to come up in the things still. But you make a contribution and pay your dues, bro, man.
Them no want to call me name.
You make a contribution and pay
Yeah,
your dues,
all right.
man.
Remember, I carry Buju Band up on my bike, go to Arrows. When him just have stamina, daddy feel all the girl picking it and all the sexy body girl them. And Buju up on my bike back and Buju said to me, Squidly ranking. Me have 800, me have 700,000 in my bank book. But then for reach $1 million for feel out, $1 million feel. 1991. And see it there.
Many other tell
See it there. Right now, I can't beg Buju $1 million now. I tell him $1 million and him give me it.
Yeah. Give thanks, man.
Because Buju give it, you know, enough people might not feel like, you know, Buju buy all bulldozer and give them something there, you know. Yeah, man, Buju give it, man. Sizzler, give it. Capleton, give it. Luciana, give it. You see them same Lexus there?
Yeah.
Give it. Elephant Man, give it. Me I tell you about we give people things. I'm going to have to mention. Oh, Shabba ranking.
Always hear that.
Lord Jesus Christ. Nobody talk about give it.
Always hear about Shabba and Lucy when it come on to certain things, you know?
Shabba, when it come on,
Lexus.
Shabba, feed poor people. But if you follow Shabba, go down, Shabba the doublet already and get $5 million give it the whole down between Jungle and Rima.
5 million.
$5 million between Jungle, Rima, and Waterhouse and Seaview. Stand up and watch me with 2 eye. Shabba the done. Have all done. Yeah man, you don't know.
So Clark, give thanks, you know, as we say. I appreciate the man's contribution to the music, brother. And as I say, we hope that, you know, things like these will kind of help shed the light for people and know. If you know, say, yo, You try the road and pay your dues, boy. Yes, man.
Yeah, man,
Give
been
thanks,
there
brother,
and
brother,
done that, man. You don't know. Yo, Jano, people not half hear the story yet.
We take the
Whole
next
heap of
half our
things.
next time. We our next 3 hours. Brother.
Yeah.
And
there.
my condolences really all lady, brother.
Yeah.
And Mr. Said the man in a very good spirits. We're there.
You know. No, not the great Squidly ranking. Me a the bad. Me a the governor general. 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 Me a the bad. Remember, take Keisha, take. Remember this? What are the ugly and the girl and the tight and the old? Ugly girl have some good piece of old, and the ugly and the girl and the better the old. Remember this? Girl, hey, yo, from you know you never dash red belly, me want to know all up on no one them. All of the girl them. And you a girl when mind your picnic, nah dead fi no hungry. Watch out, some girl a wear bar suit and shape like breadfruit. Say them body look cute, girl a wear bar suit and shape like a breadfruit. New one now, yo, hey, and when the girl them they when no dash with belly squiddly, see we are. And when the girl them they we a mind them picnic squiddly, see we are. And when the girl them house no empty squiddly, see we are. And when the girl them they, hey, don't know no teach them, do you think I hear the king Squidly ranking and say God thank him?
Which DJ your favorite DJ? Baddest DJ if I go in and dance, go turn up and watch.
The baddest DJ going to dance, stand up and watch. Boy, Ninja Man. Careless Ninja Man, and you get it.
Which DJ you have a DJ you fear when you used to clash?
Papa San.
Son.
Yeah, man, Papa, the whole of with the afraid of Son, man. I'm saying teach them, man.
The whole of
Whole of with the afraid of Son. When Son come with, as Son first come with backway talk, you know.
You ever know, man, Peter tell me same kind of thief pieces.
Yo, Son, they come with some lyrics and some long something.
Yeah.
Whole of with the afraid of Son.
Him, so.
Me the afraid of him as much as me a cusser.
You're afraid of him?
Yeah, man.
Who win 4 Son clash?
Lord God, I would have win it again.
In your opinion, me are talking like every man say something different, you know. Remember say a human promotion, jam is arrows and black scarp
4 big sound in a 1 big land. The other sound play. Human promotion minute. Because see the lyrics with tenor side the draw.
Right.
4 big sound, mash up the dance, clean.
Yeah.
Done the dance.
Brother.
See?
Until part 2.
Yeah, until part 2. When you get the rest of something them.
Yeah, man, blessings.
Don't know.
Bind the cup, me say we hot. Watch me now. Me say no, put on your suit before you put on your socks. Anytime you feel good, go and go relax. When you have running belly, you fit broke locks. When time for you left, you tell the bridge you watch tracks. Me say man wear pants, a woman wear frock. Maybe play dolly house, but me not play jacks. Me love it when you come and dance with a big radio box. Me head the well ball. Next year me going locks. We learn native wisdom and the natural fucker. Now listen Squidly ranking on the microphone and chatter. But the case you never know me at the cream of the crapper. Now listen Squidly ranking I give you in a style. Me ram dance all and me we clap party. Say one time I go down in a black history. There was no slavery, no brutality. There was no sadness and no misery. There was no confusion, no sick mentality. Now listen Squidly rank I give you in a style.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.